Hi guys, welcome back to SHKExcelWorld. I'm Salim Heather and I'm back with the ninth part of the video series on financial modeling with SHKExcelWorld. So we have covered so much about financial models and this will probably be the second last video of the series. So for today's video, we will learn as to how we can use the tools available in Excel for simulating multiple results for our financial model. So these tools will not change your actual financial model, but with the help of your input cells, they will tell you as to what you can achieve or what results you can achieve by changing those variables in your financial model. So this can be a tool for sensitivity analysis, means that once you have the results, you can plot those results on a chart and then see as to which of your variable item is more sensitive. So you will see as to what I am saying, but before that, do not forget to subscribe to SHKExcelWorld and also click the bell icon so that you are able to see the last video of the series as well. So guys, this is the file we are using today. This is slightly different from what we used in the previous video. You can download this file from the link given below in the description. So what is the change? We only have two products in this financial model and rest of the things are absolutely same. We have the option, we can select any option we want to and the results will change. We want to know as to what price of each product is going to give what results. So our result target is basically the total gross revenue. And we can go onto the revenue sheet and see for ourselves. We have added a total column just before the first year, which is just aggregating the all of the revenue from different years, and we have a total figure of 283,000. The tools we want to use today are the data tables. So data tables are tools which can work in any sort of complexity, but there are certain rules to using these tools. So this is what I learned from experience, so you must hang out and watch the video till the end. We know that the data tables can be used for one variable and those can be used for two variables as well. So first we are going to use the data table for one variable and we will choose the price of product A for that purpose. And if you do not know, let me tell you that whenever you want to apply the data table, you first need to have a formula based cell which is linked to your input cells. So this is my input cell, which is the price of the product A and price of product B. For the time being, it is price of product A only. And our target cell is this cell. So this is on another sheet. What we can do is that we can bring this to our main sheet where we want to apply the data table just by the help of an equal to reference. We can change the format. So for applying data table, your input cell as well as your result cell should be on the same sheet. Otherwise, the data tables won't work. So first we are going to write the variable here 50. So this is what we want to put into the price per unit for product A. And we want to produce certain variables. Just click on it, go to home ribbon, go to editing group, then series and fill the series in the column and step up by 10. And stop value at I think 150 would be fine. Press OK. Just select complete table and then go to your data ribbon. Then go to forecast, what if analysis, click data table, and here you will have two options. One is the row input cell and the other one is the column input cell. So you will have to see as to whether your input variables are in a column or in a row. So for the time being, these are in a column, so we will refer our relevant cell into column input cell. So relevant cell is this one where we want to put each of these values one by one and get the results, and just press OK, and here you get the results. You can see easily that for 50 the data table has given the correct results, and so on increased with respect to increase in prices. So if you click on any of these cells, you can see that there is a strange formula written in the formula bar. So this is sort of formula which you cannot type directly. You will have to apply it through this process what we have just followed. And now we can select any of the options and the results will change with respect to that particular quantity mix. So this is not something which is static, this is dynamic and linked to your financial model. So for this particular one, we can calculate the annualized growth rate and see which one is more better for us. So the annualized growth rate can be calculated like your final value divided by your first value and raised to the power 1 by the number of growth years. So these are 10 growth years, 11 values but 10 growth years. So 1 by 10 and minus 1. Enter and change this to percentage. So this is slightly above 10% and I can verify this one. So equal to your first value. So this is compound growth rate. So 1 plus 10.7% power. So 10. Let me change this to value and you can see that you have your final value with the compound growth formula. So we can check which option is better. If I select option 1, it has a growth rate of 8.6, not much, 10.7, good enough, and 10.7. So option 2 and 3 have the same growth rate. You can easily apply a chart, a line chart on it and see how steep it is and compare with any other product. So this can be a tool for sensitivity analysis, but for the moment we are using it for simulating our results. So now comes the interesting part. What is the perfect product mix which we should have? Because we only have 2 products. So we want to have the perfect price mix for different quantity mixes. So for this particular exercise, we can use a different target value, which is our net profit. We can go to statements and refer to the total net profit after tax. So at the moment, it is loss. If I select another option, should this turn to profit? Yes. So for option 1, it is profitable, but for other options, it is a loss. So here what we are going to do that we will write 50 here and we will write 40 here for product B. So this is our 50 and we can easily use the fill series option or we can add in ourselves. So this will be 1. So we have 10 values at the moment and over here we can also have 10 values. We can write here this is product A and this is product B. We can add in another column here. So product A and product B. Now for applying this, select the complete array, go to data, then again go to what if analysis, data table, and now we have both the options available and we want to use both of these. For row input, we know that the product A's price is in the row. So for row input cell, we will refer to D16, which has the price for product A, and for column we know that it has product B's price. So for column input cell, we will refer D17 and press OK. So we have all of the results. Let me change the format first and see what happens. So by just looking at this complete results, we cannot make much of a sense. So what we can do is that we can easily select this complete results array and apply conditional formatting onto it. So if we select option 1, then we have this sort of highlighting. We have the highest profit at the end, which has 140 for product A and 130 for product B's price. And if I select option 2 here, you will see that the first column turns red. So product A cannot be sold at 50, irrespective of the price of product B. So this is very, very interesting. The reason is that for option 2, we only have 20 items of product B. And I think same is the case with product option 3, that we have very limited number of items of product B. So you cannot have the price of product A at 50. Not even at 60, and from 70 onward you will have the profit. So in this way you can use the data tables to your advantage and see the sensitivity of different variables in your financial model. Yes, you can only do simulation for up to 2 variables. But if we use single variable data model for each of the variables, then we can plot all of these on a single chart and see which one is more sensitive and which one is not. I hope you must have liked this video. Till the next video, bye bye.